Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Anyway, so with this question, right? I mean, this was my first attempt. Let's not go there. It was horrible, horrible. But anyways, I'm gonna keep it simple this time. It says here below PQR, we have Q as 90. We have QA being equal to PA. And then it says the AB is perpendicular to PR, right? There we go. Now, the big idea here is that we just need to keep in mind the following. They want us to prove that BR squared. So BR is this line over here. You see, so I just want to pinpoint these lines individually so that we can see what we can do. So BR is specifically in this triangle over here, you see. And they spoke of QA. QA is specifically in this triangle over there. Huh? QA, no, that's QR, bro. QA is in this triangle over there. But then QA is equal to this as well. So we should just keep that in mind. BP is this line over here. So it is just like a random line here. But the idea is this purple line is in this triangle over here. This blue line is in this triangle over there. This green line is in that triangle over there. And then AR is in two triangles. So that's going to be quite interesting. AR is in two triangles. So anyways, we can safely say we're going to work in three triangles here. You see the one here, and the one there. So the one thing I would start off with, because we're dealing with Pythagoras, is I would write Pythagoras for each of these, like legit, without even overthinking it. Let's just write Pythagoras for each of them. So for this one here, the hypotenuse is AR. You see, so AR squared is equal to QR squared plus QA squared. That's for triangle number one. And then let's just, before we move on though, let's just take into account which of these lines are in this expression. So AR, okay, fine. And then QR, nope. And then AQ, yes. So let's maybe isolate QR here, just so that we have like AR and QA only. So if you isolate QR here, you can have AR squared minus QA squared is equal to QR squared. Whether this is going to help for now, we can just leave it for now. The next triangle is this one, right? Let's write our Pythagoras theorem. AR squared is equal to AB squared plus BR squared. You see? Now this is triangle number two. Now in this triangle here, let's check off what is in this expression. In this expression, there's AR somewhere, so fine. And there's also there's no AB, there's no BR. Oh, there is BR. Okay, fine. So let's maybe isolate AB here, just for the vibes, So isolating AB in this equation here, AB squared. No, bro. You're gonna have AR on the left. AR squared minus BR squared, right? This is going to be equal to AB squared. Perfecto. So this tiny triangle, we can also write out, whatever it is that we can write out there. So here the hypotenuse is obviously AP, right? So AP squared is equal to AB squared plus BP squared. Fantastic, man. Now, obviously here the same idea. AP is nowhere in here, but then AP is equal to AQ. So this could qualify as a line that's here, because where we see AQ, I mean, like AP is the same as AQ, so that's okay. BP, we definitely have a BP in there somewhere, so we can check this off. And then AB we don't have, so we might as well isolate AB. So this is going to give us AP squared minus BP squared is equal to AB squared. And this is equation number 3. So yeah, it looks as though we may want to start here, you see, equating these two. And then we can just, take it from there. Let's equate these two and see what we can get at the end of the day there. Because, yeah, why not? Let's see what we can get. So here, equating these two, right? Equation 2 equal to 3. We know that we're going to have AR squared minus BR squared is equal to AP squared minus BP squared. Now, where we see the AP, we can just replace it with QA, because why not, right? Why not? This is going to be BP squared. Where is BP? BP is that tiny line there. There's no BP. Oh, there is BP there. Nice, nice, nice. BP squared. And then AR squared minus BR. Do we have what we need now? Like, it looks like we almost have. There's BR there. There's AR. Oh, yeah, let's take the BR to the other side. And let's take the BP to the other side. Yeah, then we're done. Oh my goodness. I feel like I overestimated this question, like way too hard, because it's like so easy. Like, wow, it's almost shocking. Like, oh my goodness, like, can't believe it. What's with the voice? But I like, come on, man. Hypo, man. Yeah. So you see, all these are positives now. And then we can write these first, like what our answer has. You see, so therefore, it starts with BR, ne? BR squared plus QA squared is equal to BP squared plus AR squared. So yeah, this first was somewhat useless. You know, that was really not necessary, but it is what it is, you know, just gotta do what you gotta do. So for 8 marks, this is all that we had to do. Nothing crazy, nothing major. I think it was just like a bunch of writing that we just had to do. But for now, that is that for this question. Yeah, let's call it a day with that question.